Okay, welcome student back. Now here in this section we are going to see the radius ratio, okay, and what is the help you get from this. So do remember R stands for radius, plus is for cation, minus is for anion. So do remember radius ratio is the ratio of radius of cation to the radius of anion. So if anyone asks you what is radius ratio, you have to say it is the ratio of radius of cation to radius of anion. So define radius ratio. It is the ratio of radius of cation to the radius of anion. So you can see the definition. It is the ratio of radius of cation to the radius of anion. Students. Now let us see this picture carefully. If you see in this three picture, what I have done is from here to here the size of cation is decreasing. You can see bigger, smaller, smallest. Plus means cation. Plus means cation. So from here to here to here, the size of cation is decreasing, whereas the size of anion is increasing. Smallest, bigger, biggest. So if you see students, from here to here if you go, size of cation is decreasing, and from here to here when you go, the size of anion is increasing, students. Now in this case the radius ratio will come exactly 0.414. So if the radius ratio comes exactly 0.414, we call it as octahedral arrangement. And you know the octahedral void, okay, coordination number is what? 6, because there will be 6 particles. So do remember coordination number will be 6. I repeat again, if this is the condition, student, that time the radius ratio value will be exactly 0.414, okay, if it is in the intermediate part. And if it is exactly 0.414, we call it as octahedral arrangement, students. Octahedral arrangement, students. And for octahedral, it is formed between 6 particles, so the coordination number will be 6. But if you go this side, student, the value of radius ratio is coming less than 0.414. It's coming less than 0.414. Why? Because anion size is bigger. Anion size is what? Bigger. So the radius of anion is bigger than cation. So if the denominator anion radius is bigger, that means the denominator is bigger, so the overall value will come less. Therefore, the radius ratio of this will be less than 0.414. Okay? And if it is so, it will be tetrahedral arrangement. And tetrahedral arrangement is formed between 4 particles, so coordination number will be 4. For octa, formed between 6, so coordination number 6. Tetra between 4, so the coordination number will be 4. And do remember this less than 0.414 means 0.225. Now we go out here. Here the size of cation is bigger and the size of anion is smaller. That means the denominator is what? Less. Denominator is what? Less. So the overall value will come more. So here the radius ratio value is more than 0.414. So if the radius ratio comes more than 0.414, we call it as BCC arrangement, body center close primary arrangement. And in such arrangement we have already learned the coordination number will be 8. How 8? In BCC, one particle will surround 4 up, 4 down, total 8 students. Now, do remember students, sometimes we represent the radius of cation by small r also and the radius of anion by capital R. Okay? Do remember this? Why students? The size of cation is smaller than anion. Do remember, cation size is what? Small. Atomic size is what? Smaller. Okay? And anion atomic size is what? Larger. Atomic size is what? Larger. So therefore, if the size is more, so radius will be also more. Radius represented by capital R. If the size is small, radius will be small. We represent by small r. So do remember, radius of cation can be represented by small r and anion can be represented as capital R. Here also the same. Small r by capital R. And you know that if small r by capital R is equals to this, we call it octahedral arrangement we learned in the previous class, which can be replaced with r plus and r minus, that is radius of cation and anion, which is actually your radius ratio. And do you remember out here for tetrahedral arrangement, the value of radius ratio is less than what? 0.414 means it may be equal to 0.225, and this can be again represented by small r by capital R. Because we have learned earlier that the radius of octahedral void is 0.414, the radius of the particle. So if I take this r down, we get this relation, students, you can see. And again this can be replaced with capital R plus and R minus. So we get this relation, students. Okay. Similarly here also, less than 0.414, it is for tetrahedral, and in tetrahedral void the radius of the tetrahedral void will be 0.225 times of the radius of the particle, and if this r comes down, this will be the relation, student, and okay, which is less, this value is less than 0.414. Again this small r can be replaced with the cation radius and capital R with the anion radius, because cation radius is smaller, so small r, anion is bigger, so capital R we can say, students. So do remember this relationship. Now let us see what are the roles, what kind of sum may come from here. In the numerical problem, student, of this kind, radius of cation and radius of anion will be given to you. So what you are going to do is you put the value of radius of cation up, radius of anion down. So after putting the radius of cation up and down, you divide it. You get the value of radius ratio. So once you get the radius ratio, you have to compare from this relation. If the radius ratio comes exactly this much, you say it is an octahedral arrangement, coordination number will be 6. If the radius ratio will come less than this, you say it is tetrahedral arrangement, coordination number will be 4. If the radius ratio will come more than this, then you say it is a body-centered arrangement, BCC arrangement, coordination number will be 8. So how the question will come? Listen carefully. The radius of cation is so and so, and the radius of anion is so and so. Identify the type of arrangement we find in the crystal and state the coordination number. So first we put the value of radius of cation and anion here, find the value of radius ratio. So if it comes exactly this, say octahedral arrangement, that time coordination number will be 6. If it comes less than this, say tetrahedral arrangement, coordination number will be 4. If it comes more than this, then you say BCC arrangement and coordination number will be what, students? 8. Okay. So if you want, you can take the screenshot of this and remember this relation and about radius ratio, students. Thank you very much.